Director SEC revealed trial with XRP will end on March 12. XRP to $65,000. The SEC's lawsuit against Ripple lasted a full calendar year, and naturally, many holders of XRP, one of the largest but most controversial crypto assets on the market today, are concerned that the trial could take the whole of 2022. Welcome to the Rich Club channel. If you liked this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Do you think the analysts are right about XRP? Write the answers in the comments. Giving away 500 XRP at the end of the week. One random subscriber will receive XRP coins. Take a look at the instructions in the comments section. All you need to do is write the word XRP, watch the video to the end, to like and subscribe. It is reported that in a statement regarding the pending class action on February 23, 2022, Ripple agreed to a new date, November 18, 2022. The current date indicated in the report is August 26, 2022. Sharing the document online, prosecutor Jeremy Hogan used this to suggest that the San Francisco-based blockchain company could expect the SEC's lawsuit against Ripple Labs to be completed by then. When will the Ripple v. SEC case end? Ripple believes it will end sometime between August 26 and November 18. In its expected class action, Ripple agreed to postpone the start of the case to November 18, believing that the SEC case would be completed before then. Of course, this can be decided at any time. While investors may be excited by this news, it's important to remember that delays and extensions have been a dominant part of the litigation. Since the pandemic is still a serious obstacle, XRP holders should not consider November 18 a hard deadline. Moreover, Hogan noted that the case could end in a settlement agreement at any time. However, many investors are looking at the big picture. The decision in the SEC v. Ripple case may either expand or limit the SEC's enforcement powers when it comes to regulating other crypto companies and assets. On top of that, there was a lot of buzz after Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse gave an interview to Fox Business News. There he shared that he was looking forward to some court decisions sooner rather than later. XRP investors who followed the news took this as a positive sign, as the slow pace of the trial was painful for many. In fact, even Ripple's general counsel has previously criticized the SEC for reportedly dragging out the case in its favor. Because, after all, that's why the SEC is playing the delay card and using it to its advantage. So much for the phrase postponement of justice means denial of justice. How about publicly committing to move the Ripple case as quickly as possible without any delay? April 4th. For this reason, the XRP community cannot be on the sidelines when it comes to delays and extensions. As the high-profile litigation between Ripple, XRP, and the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, progresses, more information is coming to the fore. In a recent document shared by attorney Jeremy Hogan on Twitter, it is assumed that the blockchain payment company expects the end of the trial in the period from August 26 to November 18, 2022. When will the Ripple v. SEC case end? Ripple believes it will end sometime between August 26 and November 18. In its pending class action, Ripple agreed to postpone the start of the case to November 18, believing that the SEC case would be completed before then. Of course, this can be decided at any time. According to the document, Ripple has requested the transfer of the considered class action with the previously agreed date August 26, 2022 to November 18, 2022, explaining that, because of the coincidence of the factual and legal issues between this case and the SEC action, the parties agree that there is efficiency in the fact that certain aspects of the SEC action was preceded by certain deadlines in this action. According to the blockchain company, narrowing the range of issues in the dispute due to this delay will reduce the burden on the parties, simplify the disclosure of the case, and potentially reduce the burden on the court. Mr. Hogan also explained that Ripple believes that it will win the SEC case in September or October, after which the class action will be dropped due to collateral estoppel, a doctrine that does not allow a party to re-examine an issue resolved in a previous lawsuit, even if the issue relates to another lawsuit. Unraveling the SEC versus Ripple saga. The SEC filed a lawsuit against Ripple and two of its executives in December 2020 due to the fact that the blockchain company allegedly sold unregistered XRP worth more than $1.3 billion between 2013 and 2020. As Finbold recently reported, The agency presented as evidence two legal memoranda that the blockchain company received from the law firm Perkins Coie. The memoranda were sent after Ripple requested legal advice on a range of issues related to the issuance of its digital tokens. According to Ripple's general counsel, instead of using the memoranda as an example of proactive compliance, the SEC used them like a sword or a club. The company also recently filed an objection to the SEC's motion for partial review and clarification and Judge Netburn's ruling on deliberative process privilege, DPP, dismissing it as an attempt by the SEC to achieve a remake. Some time ago, on February 28, Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse took to Twitter to dispel rumors that Russia was using XRP to circumvent SWIFT's exclusion and other sanctions. As stated by Mr. Garlinghouse, RippleNet unconditionally complies with international law and the sanctions of the Office of Foreign Assets Control of the U.S. Treasury Department (OFAC). XRP returned to its swing range after hitting its 9-month resistance near the $1.3 mark. Due to this fall, altcoin saw a long-term descending channel, white, on the daily chart. In addition, he lost the vital $1 mark and turned it over to resistance. A convincing close above the support of the trend line, white dotted, will set up XRP to test the range from $0.75 to $0.79. This range represented a confluence of obstacles such as the 20 to 50 EMA and its supply zone. At the time of publication, XRP was trading at $0.7359, up 3.1% over the past 24 hours. During its last bearish phase, XRP fell below its short-term EMAs, while losing some important levels. But the $0.6 support has remained stable over the past 11 months. At the same time, from February 3 to February 8, he registered a return on investment of 55.8% when he left the channel. Since then, the altcoin has entered a steep pullback in the descending channel, yellow. This trajectory led to the first retesting of the upper trend line channel, white. After that, XRP depicted the Morningstar candle pattern, which has caused a gradual uptrend over the past few days. In addition, its immediate supply area has become a strong barrier for EMA lines to make a bullish crossing. From now on, any pullbacks will find a polygon near the $0.7 zone, which coincides with the support of the trend line, white dotted. Rebirth from this zone can lead to a recheck of his control point, red, before the alt takes a position. The live XRP price today is $0.88 with a 24-hour trading volume of $3.74 billion. We update our XRP to USD price in real time. XRP is down 0.4% in the last 24 hours. Do you think XRP will be able to win the court and restore its former price? Write the answers in the comments. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this video to the end. If you liked it, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel.